So he's a little guy. Does Chipmunk have any issues that you know of? And I mean musculoskeletal, not financial, not emotional, relationships I don't do well with. Massaging it and see if you like that. Just gonna hold that stretch for you. What's good is, ooh, it just is clicking just. Ooh.
Since I felt that.
I just made a new online course called How to Massage Your Own Dog. Yay, it's Chipmunk. Chipmunk, you're so cute. Aw. Aw, Chipmunk. How are you? Thanks for saying hello to me. Where'd you get those cute little ballet shoes? They're dainty, right? Dainty little feet?
He's got the dainty little feet for a dainty little boy.
Yeah, you're a good guy. I didn't mean to call him ballerina on you. I'm sorry. So he's a little guy. And is he like the spokesperson for the whole place?
He was sort of a mascot at a therapeutic facility.
Yeah.
And he just he didn't live like a terrible life, but he just lived a life where he was either in a stall or in a tiny little turnout all by himself. So he never had the opportunity to hang out with other horses. We found out that he was in need of a home, and we knew that we could offer him something that he had never had before, which was some horse friends and turnout and get to live like a horse for once. Okay,
this is awesome. And Erin is the founder here at Bergen County Horse Rescue. You've had this for approximately 7 years.
7 years.
Yeah. And right now you have 26 horses?
We have 26 horses, including Chipmunk, and we also have 2 goats and a piggy.
And a pig. And does Chipmunk get a nice winter coat too? Like it already feels like a little thick now.
He definitely gets super fuzzy. I mean, this is going to be his first winter with us, but minis always get a good thick furry coat.
And what did you say his age is again?
I think Chipmunk is 18.
18. So Chipmunk, you look great. Does Chipmunk have any issues that you know of? And I mean musculoskeletal, not financial, not emotional, relationships I don't do well with, with horses. You're gonna have to work that out on your own.
Being that this is really Chipmunk's first time being able to be around other horses and move around, when he first came in, he definitely was a little bit stiffer from just pure walking and moving.
Okay. So we'll just give him a checkup, right?
Okay. Yep, sounds good.
So what do you think about that? Can I work with you today? What do you think? You think you'll let me work with you? A little checkup? Do you watch my YouTube channel? I've done some minis on there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, Chipmunk's gonna be the cutest one that you've done.
Chipmunk is super cute. So I'm just gonna rub up here at your pole for a minute, see if you like that. I don't know if he prefers us coming. Does he like me coming down his height?
I just was trying to give him a little block here.
All right. So I'm working on his pole, believe it or not. I'm just massaging. So the first thing I notice is you're a little tighter on the right than the left. So I'm in that little gap right now between the occiput, which is the base of your skull, and your atlas, which is your first bone. And you have 7 bones in your neck. And the first one, that little muscle, the rectus capitis, is super tight. And I'm massaging it and see if you like that. Okay. See if you like it. Can't touch your little lip. You don't like your lip touch, do you? But let's just wiggle that pole. Good. Good. I'm just working on it. That's good. All right. It's tender. You're deciding, do you like this or you want to nip at me? Okay. I'm still up here. Oh yeah, it's tight in there. All right, so I'm gonna actually do a little adjustment. This brings his head up. Got it.
That's good.
All right.
Heard that.
You heard it pop, right? Yeah.
What do you think, Chippy?
So even though I went P to A, or posterior to anterior, posterior to ventral, we say more ventral on animals, anterior on humans, but I used my left thumb and did probably 70-30, so 70% more because it was a high atlas or posterior atlas on the right. So instead of just coming down even, I did more right than left. So 70% more power on the right, 30% on the left. So I got rotation and posteriority out of the same adjustment. That way I didn't have to break it into two adjustments. So we'll give him a second just to feel that. I'm going to come down the back. This makes it so much easier when you're this height, because you're a perfect height for me. Okay. You're a little high on this hip. And you can almost, can you see how this hip's higher?
See that now that
So this hip is higher, and this one slopes down fast, and this one is high right here.
A little bubble right there.
Yeah, it's like bump. And we call that a PI ilium, posterior, inferior, but this front part comes up posterior. And then this part drops down a little bit. And I'm trying to locate a good landmark. It's really a double misalignment because he's got a posterior inferior ilium, and then this front of the hip is out too. All right, so let's just do one at a time, okay? Chipmunk?
I think he's ready.
Okay, good, me too. So I'm first gonna come this way. Didn't get it. I might have to do the other one first. Ooh, that cracked. Not just my wrist. Is that okay? All right. I still have this side to do now. Coming around the back. Coming around.
Like Chipmunk isn't usually much of a stationary guy. He doesn't really like stand still
So he's let me.
too often, so he's doing really well.
He's let me work on him.
Definitely enjoying it.
See, so this is that's the bubble you see, right?
Mhm.
What's good is, ooh, it just is clicking just. Ooh.
Since I felt that.
You know, what's funny is he adjusted it for me. So I was set up on it, giving, I picked a vector that was correct, and as he reflexed into it, it went kunk, and it cracked. It's already level. Do you see that?
It is. Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Just like a bubble right here.
So it's smoothed out a lot. Let's let him walk a second and come back. I know that freaked you out a little bit, but that went perfect. See, do you just barefoot trim him?
Yes.
Does he let people pick up his feet, or does he really hate that?
No, he does. He's
Okay.
okay.
Let me just look at your little feet, okay? Come around here, everybody. All right, I'm gonna do my little, let's open this up a little bit. Okay, got my little pick. Let's look at your little hoof. See what it looks like. You look good in here, nice sole. Nice frog. Who's ever working on your feet's doing a good job.
Got a little trim yesterday.
Yeah, you look real clean and nice and healthy. And I'm just gonna do a little stuff on this. Let me bring that leg back. Oh yeah. Dr. Doug loosening me up. There it goes. Nice. Beautiful. Let's look at the next one. That one's fine. We're going to move on. All right. May I have this other leg, please? Would you let me have it? Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you. And I'm just looking, I'm just seeing, you know, what he's going to tell me about his feet. Yeah. I'm just going to scrape that out a little bit. Feel the nice firmness to your frog, and your sole is good, and you have good level wall here. Whoever does your work is great. They all love you, right? And then I'm just gonna, yeah, you have great work being done on all your animals here. So I'm gonna bring your leg back and stretch it. This knee's a little tight. Well, it's really not your knee, it's your elbow, but you know what I mean. All right, good. Let's stretch that out. Bring it down. No, let me bring it down real slow, real slow, real slow, real slow. And let it go. Good. We still friends? Good. All right, let's look at the back. You know what? The one thing I noticed, it was bilateral, but when he was walking, he's a little stiff leg in the back end, but it's equal. So I don't think it's a problem. I think it's just his natural walk.
Okay.
But I just want to check what his rear end feels like. So can I have this back leg, please? Can I have this one? There you go. Good. I just want to stretch this a little bit. All right. So we're going to just stretch this back and hold. No, you know, he's older, so we're not going to do too much, but I just want to feel this length back here. Length. Stretch me. Stretch my leg. Stretch. There you go. Good. Feeling everything. All right. Nice. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Don't do it. Okay. More. There it goes. See her click? Click. Let's do this side. May I have this leg? Would that be all right? Could I take this leg for you? What do you think? All right, let's do it. Thank you. All right. Nice. What a great leg you have. Ooh, it crackled. All right, good guy. Let's stretch this straight. A little stiff in there. All right. Let me feel that. Nice. That's good. Let's stretch it again, okay? Put that out. Okay, let me have it. Just gonna hold that stretch for you. You watching me? Oh, one more. Good, and let's check the mobility. Okay, don't give up yet. Get reset. There it goes. It popped. All right, so I got that. Let me just check your mid-back. This is good now. Let's check your little reflexes. There, we're done. You see that little hop, skip, and jump at the end? All right, thank you for letting me work on you.
Hey, Chipmunk.
Thank you, Chipmunk. You're good, you're super cute. All right.
He's got a little more pep in his step.
He's got a good personality, doesn't he?
He's a very sweet mini.
All right, I like the way he's moving. But that bubble's gone, that high point. I got it. See, yeah, right here was all bunched up like this.
Yeah, from my angle, you can really see it.
Yeah, like right in there, right?
Yeah.
It was ballooned up. We got that to level out.
All right.
Good. Thank you. We can just. You know, what's funny is he adjusted it for me. So I was set up on it, giving, I picked a vector that was correct, and as he reflexed into it, it went, kunk.